So following on from my video testing my battery, I've plunged and made the decision to buy two new batteries for the car. I bought these, as you can see, from Halfords, and there's a reason behind that, and I'll share that with you shortly, because I've done a bit of a comparison with batteries. But this is the AGM 96 battery. This is the battery that goes in the boot, although both of them go in the boot. This goes in the boot on the right hand side, and the bigger one goes in the spare wheel well underneath the compressor. Again, this is an AGM 019 battery, so same specification, 5-year guarantee. So we'll see how they go, and I'll let you see why I chose the Halfords brand of battery. So here we are for today's job. Following on from my other video about my battery, I'm going to replace both batteries. One's in here and the other one is in behind that panel. So I'm going to take that out and put the two in. I will test the batteries first and see what my battery monitor's saying. So here's the battery monitor today, Sunday the 23rd of January. It's a bit better than it was the last time I checked. 54% and low power. And we'll look at the previous 7 days, just so as we can get a picture of that, so as I can compare that with the trends when I put the new batteries in. Okay, charging test. I'm going to check the voltage. The last time it was 14.67 and 14.62, which is good. So I'll start the car once again. And we'll test again. Okay. So I will increase the RPM a wee bit. So 14.38 at high RPM and 13.82, which means it's charging, so I'm okay with that. The cranking test voltage was low, so we'll get these batteries changed and we'll take it from there. So this is the main battery here, and looks like we'll need to remove this compressor and this bracket here, so I'll just go on with that. The other one is behind this panel here, so I shall begin to remove that. The fixtures, looking for one in the back here. That was fairly straightforward. I didn't really need to take that off. However, Yeah, this one's disconnected. Oh, this is a bit awkward. I think I'll take this clip off. Put that over there. That's the battery tray. Put that over there. Now, so this looks like a wee vent pipe here. Not sure that'll fit in another battery, but just a wee clip holding that in. There we are. So that's the battery disconnected, and you'll notice down here there's a spare clip. I do believe that clip with the green connector is for transportation, so we'll not need to put that back on again. So in essence, you're taking these bolts out. This part of the compressor slots into that carrier there, so the battery should just slot out at this point. So we'll try, without breaking my back, lift that battery out. So what I think I'll do is I will take the other battery out here, and I shall then clean this because it's a bit of a mess with dogs and grass, etc., and we'll take that one out. There you go. So I'd imagine that's going to be 10. And I think I will take this little plug off. That lets that sit down there. I'm trying to move that seat without the battery being in it. Okay. There we are. Both terminals off. Should now be able to get this one. Oops. There we go. Let's that bracket out. Now I suspect this battery should slide out, which it does. So that's us ready to put the battery back in. I think we'll start with this one. That's the last one we took out, put it back in, then we'll put the big one back in again.